activate the paddle shift in auto, but auto is...
Put in auto.
No, but auto is like econ mode. You don't want auto.
Oh, okay. So listen.
Yeah, turn that down.
Yeah, see, I don't do all
So
that.
you just using the paddle shifter. It's not a manual,
No,
it's just paddle
it's
shifter.
This
paddle
where
shift.
it'll correct itself. And if you don't use it in a minute, you see where it's on first
It'll
gear.
pop up.
It's not gonna let
it'll
you
just-
redline it.
Yeah. It's
Alright.
gonna go back to regular.
That's what's up. If using paddle shifters and you miss a gear, it's not gonna redline it. Fuck the
See,
engine.
shift not allowed. I'm in second.
Alright.
So it'll let me go to second, and I'll just take time to get all the way.
To it.
Yeah.
And it'll automatically go there once you get to it. I'm putting in track, and then I want you to fucking hit that shit. But you in track, the reason, okay, hold on. Don't do paddle shifters in track, and I want to show you why I don't use manual shifters, because look how fast track shift. Like, I don't want you to use the paddle shifters on this. When we get back and go the other way,
by itself quick.
watch how fast it goes.
But you don't want that.
Why?
Because you want to be able to control and get all the power you can.
Watch how fast track shift. This shit is scary. It's in track. You just gotta hit it.
I'm shifting myself.
Oh shoot, got some company.
So yours is different. So once the paddles is on, it's on.
Okay. So you gotta cut it back off.
Yeah.
The way to cut it off though is when you
You hold it.
Yeah.
Hold the drive on.
Okay.
This is a nice way to get you some backfires though, some sound off of it.
Yeah, because I don't know how to do none of that shit. I
You hear
just do
that?
Yeah.
All you doing is downshift.
Yeah. You don't want to do it necessarily too early. Like you'll have to learn your car.
He
I'll
was
let that
gonna
shit come
fuck
down a
his shit
little
up.
bit.
I don't know if he's finna let me go or what he doing.
Nah, he was about to try to take it, but he just nigga cut it out. Somebody got a red eye.
I like how I can see. I'm sitting up high.
Yeah, you can see everything in this motherfucker.
Around.
Yep. About 4,000.
Yep. 3 to
4,000. Then
down.
downshift. Get up. Yep.
So hold on, 3 to 4,000 to downshift on any gear or just from 3 to 2?
Any gear.
Any gear.
Oh shit! See,
You gonna get them pops. And
Yeah,
stuff.
you get the pops, and then let's say somebody pulling up.
Yeah.
And you going like 60, but you see them pulling up fast. And you're like, nah, I gotta catch this motherfucker. You downshift, it's gonna put your RPMs high.
And
so
then,
as soon as you hit the gas, it's just gonna take off. Like the power is gonna be right there when you need
when
it.
I needed to go.
Yeah. That's
Already
why.
ready.
That's why when I was driving the RT, I would always drive manual. Because obviously the RT not as fast as the Hellcat. And the power not all there, it's a delay.
You remember that night when we was leaving, and I said let's hit it, and you was in the RT, and you like caught up with me, like he was right there with
it's
me.
because I was controlling the car myself.
And I ain't like that shit. I was mad because I was in auto, and I'm like, I'm supposed to lead this nigga because it was from a dig too, but you was right there, so you was doing your manual shit.
You're getting the max power out your shit.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Holy goddamn, boy.
Learn something new about a car.
Y'all about to have me fuck up my transmission around this bitch.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
But look, if you was to hardcore put it in manual, and I think there gotta be a setting, because mine, like if I don't touch my pedals for a while, it'll just turn off.
No, when so
yours too?
Yeah. When I put it in a hardcore, I've done it before. When I put it in a hardcore manual,
it's all on you.
It's all on you. Yeah. That's how you mess your transmission.
Yeah, I would practice with this first.
Just the power.
Because it's not gonna let you fuck it up.
No.
Alright.
You're gonna feel it, like you're gonna feel like a little lag if you try something dumb.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's not gonna let you fuck it up.
But if you go all the way manual, it's pretty much you in the car.
Yeah, it's all you.
Oh, that's a track hawk right there.
It is?
That is a track hawk coming right up on us.
Yeah, we should have stayed out there.
Yeah, damn sure. If you put it in manual,
I thought he was gonna. Yeah.
you know, up and down, like that means you can shift up, shift
Yeah.
down. So that's when you more engaged.
But do I
right
got?
here.
Can I still
But
use
you
the
can
pedal
still,
shift?
yeah,
Alright.
you still can use that.
But you see how my button is red though, like yours. Because this is an SRT, my nigga.
SRT, bro.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Gotta
I
have
got all the
protection, y'all.
perks of a Hellcat.
Gotta have protection.